A federal judge is weighing whether to make more changes to legislative maps drawn by lawmakers earlier this month. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Faith Jesse.
And I'm Jennifer Bellamy. This same judge ordered lawmakers to change congressional and legislative districts. Today, he heard arguments for and against keeping those changes in place. 11 Alive's Doug Richards is at the federal courthouse tonight with much more on what's going on here. Doug?
Well, and the judge noted pointedly that with a spring primary election looming in March, he only has a few days really to decide whether to appoint a map maker of his own choosing after the legislature tried its hand at it in a special session a few days ago.
Let's take this map and rip it up.
It was in that spirit that critics challenged the legislative maps, forcing lawmakers into a special session to redraw them. So Republicans moved Congressional District 6, held by Democrat Lucy McBath, from its northern suburban base to a new black majority district southwest of Atlanta. But critics of their work argued in court they didn't give black voters an opportunity to add a new congressional seat. Plaintiff's attorney Abba Khanna told the court it is an attempt to play fast and loose with this court's order to protect the party in power.
We have not thumbed our nose at him. We have done what he told us to do. And these plans will comply, I feel, with his order.
At the Capitol this month and today in court, Republicans did not dispute that their new maps protected the Republican majority in the congressional delegation as well as the legislature. But they said that Judge Steve Jones narrowly ordered specific new majority black seats, and the Republican legislature acted accordingly. The legislature wasn't shy about its political motivation, which is not surprising in a political environment. Attorney Brian Tyson said in court, the state fulfilled its responsibility. The state needs to set its legislative boundaries by the end of January in order to prepare ballots for the March primary election. The question is whether Judge Jones will approve the legislative maps or order them drawn again by a map maker the judge himself appoints. And Jones appeared to tip his hand a little bit. He asked some very pointed questions of the plaintiffs who were challenging the legislative maps drawn by the legislature just a few days ago, saying that some of the plaintiffs' arguments were inconsistent with the court order that he issued requiring the maps to be redrawn. Judge Jones said that he would decide within a short period of time what his decision will be. Live at the federal courthouse tonight, back to you.